tapped the Global AIDS Coordinator, John Nkengasong.
The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Marshall County in northwestern Minnesota, west central Beltrami County, eastern Pennington County in northwestern Minnesota, northwestern Clearwater County in northwestern Minnesota until 5 p.m. At 4:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Espley, or 20 miles east of Thief River Falls, moving south at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Grigla, Goodridge, High Landing, and Espley. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
And spawned speculation that Angela might actually be a person in a